In a world where minimalism is highly valued, a cord-free desktop is more than stylish. It's a productivity booster. ETI Wire-Free Power Platform brings order to your workspace, eliminating cord clutter and allowing devices to move freely. We do this by safely delivering power through the air to each desktop device. Here's how it works. By embedding an ETI transmitter around the surface of a desk, we create a three-dimensional wire-free power zone. As devices equipped with ETI power receivers near the desk, they power themselves or charge their batteries. From powering lamps to charging cell phones, ETI's wire-free power zone can handle multiple devices simultaneously, each with its own power requirements. We can even power high-consumption items like your monitor. With devices no longer tethered by a cord, you're free to move them wherever you need, making it easy to adapt your environment to the task at hand. ETI's wire-free desktop isn't just a concept. We're partnering with desk makers and computer peripheral manufacturers to power the future of the workplace. ETI, wire-free power where it matters.